this strong start by their squad as they are leading De La Salle University 8-6. But Doc Ian, a lot of service errors so far here in the early going as well.
We saw a lot of them, like 4 or 5 successive service errors from both of these teams, just canceling out each other. So sabi ko nga, talagang yung adrenaline iba when these girls. So I think the key here is the first team who really settles down to really have the advantage in this match. And kita naman natin, Galang with a reception error. But I think that ball was supposed to be going out.
And it's a difficult thing to do. I mean, settle down when you have this type of atmosphere. You try to block it off in your mind and just focus on the game. Esperanza, witty move there by the second-year player.
Great court recognition. Seeing the empty spot on the UST defense.
Serve for La Salle.
And now Cha Cruz to serve. Team captain for La Salle playing in her final year here in the UAAP. Esperanza goes left to Ara Galang, and the rookie out of Angeles University Foundation gets a point for La Salle.
That was a great step from Esperanza, almost touching the net. Look at Galang go up against a single block from UST. She knew that and she really took advantage. She got the point.
Oh, Dusaran unable to receive that one properly. Obviously, she has to adjust, being inserted by Coach Oji Mamon as the new libero for this ball game at least.
Cha Cruz getting that service ace.
And Cha Cruz is actually leading the league in terms of service aces made this season with 17. That was number 18 for Cha. Good dig there. Maraño. Drop ball does not work. Esperanza goes to Cha from the back row. Dimakulangan. What a rally we're having here. Ara Galang. Can she finish it off? Yes, she does.
Great play from Galang. This time against 2 blockers. Hitting a long ball, avoiding the block. Hindi inabutan ng libero. But she did try. But that was just good for a first touch.
Dancel Dusaran just really trying to adjust. And again, having a difficult time receiving that volleyball.
Oh, again, Galang.
They've been going to Ara Galang.
Let's see if they save it.
Oh, unbelievable save there by UST. And that's going to go out. Point for La Salle.
La Salle now really taking advantage of that, the good serve of Cha Cruz.
Perhaps the best server here in the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. The current leader, Cha Cruz. She hits it from the back row. Error. One thing that Coach Ramil mentioned when I asked him what his team needs to work on is taking care of their errors, because he highlighted that opening game against Adamson wherein they committed 44 errors.
Another service error, this time from Reyes.
Ingrid Reyes, the rookie out of CSA Makati. Service error there for her, which leads to another opportunity to serve here for Mika Esperanza. Gohing able to pop that one up. Maraño hasn't shown that normal strength though, despite being able to get some hits a while ago. Running hit there by Galang does not work. Oh, double block there by Maraño, and Gumabaw collaborating on that one.
That was Banatila's first attempt. Tama, dalawa agad yung sumabay sa kanya, and she's gonna be a marked lady. And the De La Salle blockers really know that she's the #1 threat. She's the #1 option for UST.
And let's see how Banatikla will perform this afternoon against the best blocking team in the UAAP. That's a point for UST. 13-11 in favor of De La Salle University. Again, UE keeping UP in the cellar, beating them in 4 sets. In the game before this one, UST inching closer to tying this ball game up once again.
Great double block there, Hirotsuhi joining Di Makulangan to block Gumabaw.
A misreception there by Go Hing, but her teammates able to keep that one alive. Free ball for UST. Go Hing able to pop it up once again. It's a back set for Michelle Gumabaw. UST able to keep that one alive, but another free ball here for La Salle. Maraño!
Great play there from Maraño. Abigail hitting from the middle.
She may have the power, but she's more than that.
That's true. Maraño, probably you're right. She's still feeling, you know, that sprain that she suffered during the week's practice.
Right ankle sprain, according to Coach Ramil De Jesus. Reyes able to keep that one alive. And Reyes, Mika Reyes, that is.
She's the tallest player on the floor right now. And Sipa, kita mo, 2 block yun, consecutive.
Obviously, it's very hard to replace a Jack Alarca, but when you get a player, a rookie like Mika Reyes, who's perhaps as tall as Alarca,
or even taller than,
has the potential perhaps to be like her in the coming years. And she gets another point right here.
There you go.
The rookie contributing for La Salle. Mika Erin Reyes back with more volleyball action after these. La Salle has taken control 16-12 over UST.